In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group email in Gmail. First, sign in to your Gmail account in your web browser. Take a second to confirm you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one. This helps ensure the group you create shows up where you expect it. Once you're in your inbox, look for the three dots menu. Click it, then scroll through the options until you find Contacts. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It can be a bit lower in the list. When you click Contacts, it will open in a new tab so you can work without leaving your inbox completely. Inside Google Contacts, you have two ways to prepare your group. If you need to add people who aren't saved yet, click the option to create a new contact and fill in their information, such as their name and email address. Save each one so they appear in your contacts list and are ready to be grouped. If the people you want are already in your contacts, simply tick the checkbox beside each person you want to include. Selecting them first makes grouping quick and avoids hunting later. With the right contacts selected, click Create Label. This is how Gmail organizes a group email list. At this point, you can type in email addresses if you're adding them manually, or rely on the contacts you just selected. Then give your label a clear, memorable name, something like a team, department, or event name, and save it. Labels act like reusable mailing lists, and you can edit them later if you need to add or remove people. Now return to your Gmail tab and click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, begin typing the label name you just created. Gmail will suggest the label as you type. Click it to select. You'll see the addresses from that label automatically populate the recipient field. This confirms the group is set up correctly and ready to use. That's it. Your group email in Gmail is ready. Going forward, you can just type the label name in the To field to email everyone at once. If you ever need to update the group, head back to Contacts, adjust who's selected under that label, and your changes will reflect the next time you compose an email. This simple workflow saves time, reduces mistakes, and keeps your communication consistent across your team or community.